Hello, good morning. Today I am going to present a video on liver function test. This video contains following topics: Introduction, liver function test, test based on excretory capacity of liver, plasma proteins, protein electrophoresis, coagulation factors, test for detecting changes in serum protein, serum enzymes, serum biochemistry result, summary of liver function test abnormalities, common hepatitis B testing result, liver infection. Why we perform liver फंक्शन टेस्ट? लिवर फंक्शन टेस्ट का कारण क्या है? सो लिवर फंक्शन टेस्ट वी एडवाइज इन फॉलोइंग कंडीशंस इफ ए पेशेंट सफर्स फ्रॉम डाइजेस्टिव डिस्टर्बेंसेस, jaundice like symptoms, alcohol related liver diseases in drunkards or alcoholic, non-alcoholic fatty liver diseases, hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, fatty liver disease and cirrhosis, liver cancer, hemochromatosis and Wilson disease, primary biliary cholangitis, primary sclerosing cholangitis, progressive familial intrahepatic cholestasis, Reye syndrome, a stage of liver failure that is inflammation, cirrhosis, fibrosis, end stage liver disease, liver cancer, etc. So any doubt or abnormality felt by the physician, they require for confirmation liver function test and other test for confirmation like ultrasonography, X-ray, physical examination, clinical findings, all are included or required for the diagnosis of the disease. So we see liver performs numerous metabolic excretory stages. Liver performs numerous metabolic excretory storage and detoxifying functions. Several biochemical tests are available to test the functional efficiency of liver. The pathological process that may be present single or in combinations are liver cell damage by viral infection, cholestasis caused by improvised secretion of bile by the liver cells, reduced functional mass due to chronic liver damage. Liver function test. Chemical test for the diagnosis and follow-up of liver diseases are bilirubin metabolism and excretion, assessment of hepatic transport function, BSP excretion test, plasma protein abnormalities, protein synthesized in the parenchymal cells, abnormalities of immunoglobulin synthesis, serum albumin test, albumin phosphatase, SGOT, SGPT, gamma glutamic transferase. These are the tests requires in complete liver function test. Test based on excretory capacity of liver. Bromo sulfathione, that is BSP test, dye used to assess excretory function of the liver, non-toxic compound exclusively excreted through bile, dose 5 mg per kg body weight, administration intravenously, procedure serum concentration is measured at 45 minutes and at 2 hours. Result less than 5% of dye retained, abnormalities in excretory function of the liver. Plasma protein, albumin globulin ratio. The liver has dominant role in plasma protein synthesis, being the source of plasma albumin and fibrinogen along with other proteins associated with blood coagulation. The liver contributes important component of alpha and beta globulin fractions and is also involved in the synthesis of globulins. The serum albumin level is lower in cirrhosis, in viral hepatitis, in nutritional liver diseases, and in neoplastic diseases at liver. The normal serum albumin globulin ratio is 2:1. In advanced liver diseases, albumin is decreased and the globulin is increased so that albumin globulin ratio in reversed. Protein electrophoresis. Electrophoresis gives abnormal pattern in liver diseases. In cirrhosis, serum albumin is reduced and the gamma globulin is increased. In cholestasis, there is an increase in the concentrations of alpha and beta globulin factors. Prothrombin time is the time required for clotting to take place in citrated plasma to which optimum amount of thromboplastic and calcium has been added. The normal prothrombin time is 16 to 18 seconds. It is prolonged in jaundice and liver diseases. Test for detecting changes in serum proteins. In the thymol test, adding thymol in barbital buffer to serum produces marked turbidity. In the presence of liver disease and flocculation appears on longer standing. Similarly, in the presence of liver disease, diluted serum forms a flocculent precipitate when treated with a suspension of cephalic and cholesterol in water. Using biurate reagent, total proteins may be determined and repeating this after suitable fractionation of serum, concentration of different type of proteins in the serum is obtained. Serum enzyme. A number of enzymes in serum exhibit changes in activity during parenchymal liver disease, and the following studies are routinely implied. Alkaline phosphatase. Binary obstruction is characterized by a persistent increase in alkaline phosphatase activity to 8/2 or more time the normal value, with moderate changes occurring during hepatocellular diseases. Aminotransferase. Aminotransferase or transaminases are used in the diagnosis of a variety of disorders. AGOT, serum glutamic oxaloacetate transferase, or AST. This enzyme occurs in high concentration in heart muscles. Increased level of AST in the blood stream indicate cirrhosis of the liver or myocardial infarction. AGBT, serum glutamic pyruvic transferase, or ALT, level are increased during infective hepatitis. Serum biochemistry result: burn total protein, albumin, cholesterol, glucose, ALT, AST, ALP, GGT, total bilirubin. This slide show normal range. Summary of liver function test abnormalities. In which condition which test is normal or increased? Tests are ALT, AST, GGT, ALP. Test and normal range. Conjugated bilirubin, bilirubin total, unconjugated SGOT, SGPT, alkaline phosphatase, total protein, albumin, globulin. Common hepatitis B testing result: HB SAG, NT-HBC, NT-HBS, HB-SAG, NT-HBC, NT-HBS. Result and interpretation. This is diagram of inflammation of the liver by bacterial infection. In this way, we see different tests required in different conditions or abnormal stage of the liver. For disease related to liver, in different mode of treatment, different medicine used. Till date, for liver, no proper medication available in allopathy, but in Ayurvedic and homeopathy available. In homeopathy medicine we used Chelidonium, Carduus, Dolichos, Calmeg, Iris versicollis, Lycopodium, Pulsatilla, and other medicine used according to symptoms. Diet management is strictly maintained in liver diseases, especially in cases of jaundice and digestive disturbance. When a patient starts feeling any abnormalities related to digestion, he may consult for a physician, and after getting expert opinion, he maintained proper diet chart. Because when liver disturbed, we continuous dependent on medicine may be of any pathy. So maintain the healthy liver function and maintain healthy life. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.